additions of fractions sharing the same denominator. In our day-to-day life, we all use money. You may know that one Canadian dollar is called a loonie, and that a coin of 25 cents is called a quarter. And maybe you've heard already that if you have 3 25-cent or 75 cents in your pocket, you would say, I have 3 quarters. Well, if we could divide the dollar in 4 pieces, each part of that dollar would be a quarter. So a quarter is 1/4 of a dollar. And so if we have 75 cents, we have what we call 3/4 of a dollar. So $1 equal 4 quarters or 4 25-cent. Now if I take a donut and I split it in 4 pieces, one piece will be called a quarter or 1/4 of a donut. And what's left, 3 pieces, will be called 3/4 of the donut. Now 3/4 is the same as one part, so 1/4 plus a second part, another quarter, and a last one. So those 3 parts equal 3/4. It's logic, isn't it? And this logic explains to us the rule of adding fractions sharing the same denominator. So what you can observe here is that the denominator doesn't change. It stays the same. What we do is we add all the numerator together. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. And this observation leads us to the rules. So the rules for adding fractions with common denominator are: 1, the denominator stays the same. 2, the numerators are added together. So in the example here, the denominator 17 is common to the 3 fractions. My answer will have 17 as a denominator. And to know what the numerator is, we add 1 plus 3 plus 7. Voila!